How to apply for Charles Schwab debit card. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC, and just like so, you want to go ahead and search for schwab.com. Inside this page, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Schwab Bank debit card, and then go ahead and tap on open a checking account. You'll also get a brokerage account with it, so you want to go ahead and simply tap on individual checking, and just like so, open up your checking account. So you can open it up by simply tapping on get started, and you'll see who's opening this checking and brokerage account. You want to go ahead and enter your information, and once it is done and once your account is funded, Schwab will mail you the Visa Platinum debit card. It's shiny, powerful, and it's sure to get to fee-free ATM life. This card refunds for all ATM fees everywhere. No foreign transactions, no monthly maintenance, sneak attacks, just clean and minimalistic banking. So here is a bonus trip for all of you guys. Order the card a couple weeks before you travel. Set travel notice in your Schwab app, and that is simply how you can apply for a debit card on your Charles Schwab account. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.